that would mean all your lake houses, all your semantic models that are pulling from gold would show themselves. The challenge of this is a little bit is for me is okay, as an admin of this area, not every department or every user is going to certify or bring or do all the tagging that they need. And so for me as an admin, I'd like to be able to just poke around a little bit. Like, let's make it really for discovery on these things. And one of them is I'd like to make sure either mandate tags are being used or have the ability as an admin to easily add tags. Oh, this is a thing that literally the lake house says the name gold in it. It should probably have a tag of gold, right? Or whatever that may be, right? So there should be more ability or easier ability for me to then add tags. One of the other things that I think is really interesting when we talk data catalogs, it's very important to have a data owner. I don't think there's enough visibility as to where the data owners are and how do I change a data owner on a particular semantic model or other things as well. So I also think from an administrator standpoint, I want to be able to say, oh, Tommy's the owner of this data set. I don't know who to publish this one, but I need to realign it because Tommy's going to own this one moving forward. So I think there's some ownership pieces that need to be able to be adjusted here. And that's kind of my main two, like at the high level for filtering and finding. I have a whole bunch of other features here that I think would be useful when we get down to like looking into a semantic model and seeing the list of tables, names, columns. There's a whole bunch of other stuff here that I think we're missing.
We've had a previous conversation. Okay, good.
No, I could see multiple different use cases and personas, right? To Mike's point, admin, cleanup management, promotion of certain artifacts, or put things on the path. And I do like that was the approach that they took. It's not filtered down to only the things you can access. It's open, and you don't have access, but you can at least see that the artifact exists. And I think that's one of the so super valuable on many levels. And then obviously the general user is just looking for reports. So across the board, I think, in general, the first deployment of the options that we have meet all those needs. And I think that's mainly predicated on the two types of filters they've chosen, which is, domain and tags. Plus, showing everything is a good first step for everybody to see what's available and the types of artifacts that they should be engaging in.